Hello friends, today we are going to review multi-parameter instruments in which we can measure pH, EC, TDS, temperature in a single run. In this instrument we are measure 4 parameters in single run. Actually we have only single electrode that can measure all 4 parameters. For EC measurement we are using electrical conductivity meter, and for pH we are using a pH meter. We are using different instrument for different parameters. But is it possible to measure all parameters by a single electrode? Yes, it is possible. By HANA instruments we can measure a pH, EC, TDS, temperature by single electrode. Now I'm going to review this instrument. This is instrument by HANA company, as you can see. Okay, these are the accessories. Some liquids are there in packets. This is TDS calibration solution 6.44 ppt. Okay, move to another packet. This is electrical cleaning solution, basically for use in agriculture. Electrode cleaning solution, amazing, very nice. Now move to another packet, and this is pH 4.01 for calibration of pH meter. pH 4.01, very nice. Now another packet is pH 7.01, very nice. These are the buffer solution as well. You know, the pH resist solution we are using in calibration of pH. And the last one is electron cleaning solution for agriculture. Okay, friends, we also have some plastic measuring cylinders, and this is guide in which we can see the measurement of what are the limit of pH and what are the limit of TDS of this instrument. Actually HANA instruments make a lot of analytical instruments, and all some are mostly are electrode based devices, can measure multi parameters. And this is, you can see, this is a guide in which you can see the whole description of instrument, accessories, and this is the operational guide also. Okay, in this you can see the pH measurement calibration procedure, very smart. EC measurement calibration procedure. So it is very easy to handle this instrument. Already I joined the electrode by this instrument. You can see I cleaned with distilled water, and you can see different props and different electrodes inside it. Only this single electrode will measure all these parameters. It is amazing to see it. Okay friends, now I dip the electrode in a sample. Now just check. First of all you press on button. You can see on mode. I press on. Now you can see this is the conductivity 0.60. Okay, now again I press set hold button. Okay, this is the TDS 0.225, or you can see the temperature 25.06, and this is pH 6.83. Amazing. Only single electrode we can measure these 3 parameters. Also the temperature. This instrument is very important for field visits, and you can also use in small laboratories and small water quality laboratories, and it is given an accurate result we are measuring. And any query, please contact with us and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.